What's going on, guys? This is a Audio Legion ME10B. So this is a 10-inch mid-range speaker. And let me tell you what, this thing's nice. Single 8 ohm, 300 watts max, 150 RMS. This thing will get loud. It's 150 RMS. Super nice speaker. Let me tell you what though. What we're gonna give it power wise is about 20 RMS, maybe 30, out of a dual head unit. This is a low RMS test. And let me tell you, this thing is gonna laugh at this power. So, yeah. So this one doesn't come with any spec sheet, which is unfortunate, but the box does have some specs on it. And it does have a impedance frequency chart inside the box. If you can see right there. So, let's see what we got here. 94.2 dB, 75 hertz, 7.5 kilohertz, 2-inch high-tempered voice coil. Look at it. Nice bullet style. Nice beefy magnet, heavy steel slugs top and bottom. Let's go ahead and hook this bad boy up and see what it can do. Alright guys, like I said, this thing's about to laugh at this power that we're about to give it. So let me go ahead and pull up some copyright free music real quick to play. Remember, this is a 10-inch bullet style loudspeaker. Holy cow. On this head unit, this thing is screaming. I don't know how distorted the microphone on the phone is because it's right here at it. But let me tell you, this thing is loud. For 20 RMS, this thing gets down. But what do you expect from a 10-inch loudspeaker?
So much holding on, you can't take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you. You gotta do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest.
We'll go ahead and leave that blooper in. I was using an old head unit to try to keep it up, but that ain't gonna work.
There's no doubt.
Super clear.
Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me fly.
Alright. Straight away, this thing is screaming loud, guys. I don't know about how it sounds on camera yet. I had my little blooper where that fell, but that's whatever. This thing is great for a stunt wall. Or if you got doors with 10s, this thing will make it scream. Wow. I definitely enjoy this. So, if you're looking for a 10-inch, 8-ohm loudspeaker, or this would be a great home audio setup too. Throw a couple tweeters in a box, throw a couple of these in a box, and you'd be rocking and rolling, honestly. This thing screams. I think it was like 40 bucks. So if you're looking to get some high quality audio out of a 10, say you got a box for two 10-inch subwoofers and you ain't using it and it's just laying around, throw two of these things in there and have you a big loudspeaker box. Why not? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.